Your ingredients are vanilla ice cream, whipped topping, blue sprinkles, Oreos, blue gel food coloring, vanilla frosting, milk, and white chocolate. First, grab your Oreos and put in a Ziploc bag. Crush the Oreos up. After you crush them up, pour them on a plate. Make sure to spread the cookies out evenly. Grab your milkshake glasses, your vanilla frosting, and a butter knife, and spread the frosting evenly around the top of the milkshake glasses. This creates the base for which your cookies will stick to. Take your freshly frosted milkshake glasses and lightly roll it in the cookie crumbs. Go through and press in your cookie crumbs to make sure they stay in place. Add your 5 scoops of vanilla ice cream and half a cup of milk to the blender. Then, add your blue gel food coloring to the blender as well. Add as much needed until you get the color you want. Pour your shake mix into your glass. Add whipped cream to the top with your blue sprinkles, and add your tiger paw to the top of your milkshake and enjoy.